Hello, crafty friends. So I am doing a Halloween card swap in my Facebook group, Salty Beach Scrappers. And I just got my first package in, and this is from Dawn Nugent. And I just love how my mailman was like blocked construction workers. So I'm having my roof replaced. And yeah, they were kind of in the way, but I don't believe the front door was blocked. So in my opinion, maybe the mailman was just being a little bit, I don't know. But anyway, I digress. We'll move on. But anyway, so I'm excited to receive this swap from Dawn. And so she sent in a big box. So we got lots in here. Sorry, I covered up her address and mine as well. So, oh, she sent me a little letter. This one is for me. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Dawn. I love how she labeled that it was for me too, so that I know. And look at how cute this little spider is. Oh, I'm going to add this to my little keychain. I love it. Thank you. And no matter what, I always save my ribbon. And what I love about this little ribbon is it almost reminds me of shoelace. It's kind of cool, but it's like thin like ribbon, right? I don't know. Never seen ribbon like this before. Sorry, I'm just going to try to get this off here so it doesn't, I don't want to lose this. I'm going to add this to my keychain that I just made for myself. Okay. Because I'm all about Halloween. All right, let me go ahead and save this. And I love that it's red. And so I can reuse this for Christmas. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let me put this to the side here. Let's get on into the card that she made me. Ooh, I cannot wait to display this in my living room. Any cards that I get, I always put them in my living room. So it says, thank you so very much. I love this kind of like coffee stain look. That's really cool. So cute. And she says, hello, friend. Just a little surprise happy mail. I hope you enjoy what I made. Happy crafting, Dawn Nugent. And this is her Instagram. It's craftin_now_n_then. Here, let me just hold this up for you. Sorry. Here we go. Come on now. Why is my camera acting ridiculous? Maybe if I just put it down. There you go. Okay, and let's see her little note here. Thank you so much for hosting this swap and letting me participate. Packaging is not my best execution, but I just got stumped. What's inside hopefully makes up for it. Thanks again, Dawn. Oh, you know, it took me a while to actually learn how to do packaging. I watched a lot of different videos, and then I started doing swaps, and I saw what everyone, would do. Wow, this is, wait, hold on. Oh, I know I felt something. Oh, I love it. She made me some little sprinkles, Halloween sprinkles. Let's see if we can show you what these are. Oh, I love it. Oh, little eyeballs. How creepy is that? Little stars, little bones. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Hold on. I gotta, you know what? Let me, hold on. I'm going to dump it here. This way I can put it right back in here. Uh-oh, come on now. Guys, I'm a hot mess, but I love the eyeball. That is so cute. Kind of goes with the craft I just made. But I will post a video of that. I did post it on my Instagram. And for some odd reason, the video didn't translate to a video on Facebook. I don't know why. Okay. So it didn't add the music or anything. So maybe I have to just create on Facebook from now on and let it go straight there. But thank you so much. I'm going to put this right with my Halloween stuff over here. And oh my goodness, look at this card. I love it. I love how this looks almost like blood splatter. I'm going to pull it out of here. I'm going to put it right back in too. hold on. I'm going to show that in just a minute. Okay. Because I want to see the inside too. Gosh, she did a lot of work here. I love how it has like the mummy ripped paper. She even edged these and all. I mean, it looks like she used a lot of distressing sprays and all that kind of stuff. I love how she glittered the spider to make it stand out. Love the spider web and Boo. And these kind of almost look like eyeballs, but I just love this splattered blood look. That is so cute. And then on the inside, it says Happy Halloween, and it has the cutest little bats on here. I love it. Okay, I'm definitely going to be sending this to one of my kids. Love it. Thank you so much. Let me just put it back in here so it does not get destroyed in the meantime. Actually, I'm going to put it in this way. There we go. Just to make it easier on me. And I love that you made this envelope, like this card right here. You know, I could literally reuse this, right? And I love how she did that. Thank you so much. So this is so cute. Love this idea too. So I'm going to put that over there. And again, I'm going to leave her information here real quick. And then we have this super cute pen. I am obsessed with pens. Did you add that paper in there? That's such a cute idea. I love it. You know what? I know that Brittany, she gets crazy if you rip this stuff, right? But I just love this little tassel here. And I love the little charms on here. So you can either keep it on here, which is what I'm going to do, right? Or you could use these in a Halloween project, right? Which I don't know, I might do that. I am doing my October daily very soon. So I might use that in there. So we have a little Scully, and I love how this Scully has a mustache. Can you see that? That is so cute. I love tassels. I love how she did the little beads. I really stink at beading, guys. Love the spider. These are just so cute. Thank you so much, Dawn. I love it. And then let's get on into the pen. And tell me, why doesn't it want to open like how Brittany says it does? It doesn't. It's crazy. I don't know. Maybe just my fingers aren't getting it. So I'm going to rip it open the old school way. Oh no, I just figured it out. Oops. Oh well. Now let's see how this baby writes. I'm all about pens. Here we go. Oh, perfect. Wow. Okay. I have a couple others that that I made that maybe I just didn't buy good pens. I don't know. But anyway, I love it. Thank you so much, Dawn. And now I have one more. So I'm going to pause it real quick so I can put this away and get back to you. Okay, so my next one is from Leslie with Mermaid Cove Studios. And let me try to gently open this up without killing it. Okay, you know what? I might have to do it like this, guys. And just try to gently trim that off. Okay, we'll do a little more cut in here. Just don't want to ruin anything in here. Okay, let's see if there is any. If there's one package for me. It looks like it. Okay. Let's see if she specifically put a name on here. This might be mine. I'm thinking so. These are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. Okay. Let me go ahead and put these back in here so I do not lose them. Thank you so much, Leslie. Oh my gosh, how cute are these? Oh, I love this. So thank you. Thank you for allowing me to join your swap, Leslie. And I love how she like ripped the edges. She did such a good job. I love this. Okay. And then we have a sweet and spooky. Oh my gosh. Look at this little, and I love this little caramel apple. And I don't know what collection this is. Is this Echo Park or a photo play? I don't know. But I love the candied apple. Caramel apple. Show it, candy apple. It is a caramel apple. Get a grip, Kim. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to try to pull this little baby out of here. Uh-oh. I think she taped it down in here, which is a smart idea. Okay, I got it. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? I'm going to add this to my keychain as well. I love it. Look at the little black cat. I think this might be Prima's. I'm not sure. And then it says spooky. I love it. I love how she has these two for the O's. That's super smart. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my little keychain here, guys. So this is going to be my Halloween keychain that I made. So I'm just going to clip this on here real quick. Oh my gosh, isn't that super adorable? I love it. Okay, let me put this to the side real quick. Okay, now let's get on in. Okay, candy goodies. What? Love it. And then here is a card she made. I just don't know what paper collection this is, but it is super cute. Maybe it's, I'm trying to think with, Fancy Pants. I think it's Fancy Pants. It just seems like a Fancy Pants paper. You cast a spell on me. I love the little witch's hat, and it says wickedly sweet. I love the little broom. Oh my goodness. And I'm obsessed with polka dots, right? And you know who also loves polka dots? Kathy King. Oh my gosh. And then this little pumpkin in here. So stinking cute. Thank you so much, Leslie. I love absolutely everything. Now, guys, if you ever are a swapper and you want to join in, just join up with my Facebook group. Again, that's Salty Beach Scrappers. I usually have all the links on my YouTube below. So anyway, guys, I hope you'll have a wonderful and fabulous day, and I'll be seeing you all soon with our next swaps. Bye.